And welcome back. And I just want to make a quick note. I do realize that the screen, when I put it on YouTube, widens than how I see it here, because the way I see it here, the edge of the screen is right here. Like it's cutting Lyra in half. Wait, it's cutting Lyra in half, and I can see this part of Derpy, which means you're probably able to see over here when I put it up on YouTube. So it's kind of weird, but anyway, just try to point that out. Um, Anywho, time for the new toy, Sunny Rays. She's got a bit more accessories, 'cause she's cool that way. Sunny Rays, wedding invitation. Let's learn about her, because I don't know if I've seen this one yet. Sunny Rays has a lot of bright ideas. Her friends can always count on her to help them solve problems. Isn't she nice? Sunny Rays is invited to the royal wedding. It includes pony figure comb, wedding invitation, and accessory. Should be accessories, because she's got 4 things here. But anyway, yeah. Look at the box. Alright. Time to take her out of the box. I'm not going to sing that song again. I'm just going to tear this open. I don't want to waste time being gentle. Okay. There she is. And, oh, cool. This wedding invitation, I think, is a screenshot from the episode. Just, no, wait, actually. They did the same thing they did with the other 2 invitations. Except this time, instead of them facing opposite directions, now they're facing the same direction. But see, it's pretty much just the same picture of the 2 in a different location again. So there are 3 different invites. She's actually a Pegasus. I didn't realize that when I bought her, but I'm glad because I need more Pegasi. I believe it's Pegasi, either Pegasi or Pegasuses. I think it's both, but I'm sure someone in the comments is going to correct me, because that's just how people on YouTube are. Okay, that was simple. I'm learning the trick on how to get the manes away from the hooves with relative ease. Oh, she's adorable. She looks better like this, but her cutie mark's not on that side. It's on this side. But her cutie mark is 3 suns, because she's very bright. She comes with Trixie's comb. Say, it's got her collar. And also, she's got quite a few things actually. She's got, oh, covered in tape, is it? Nope. Wait, yeah, I think it is. Well, how am I supposed to... Oh, see those? It's a whole different... Okay. She has a bowl, a spoon for the bowl, and 2 of these. So Sunny Rays has brought the drinks to the wedding. She's got the best accessory, I think. I mean, you know, the other 2, Lyra and Rainbow Dash, had a picture. Trixie has a present. But Sunny Rays brought the drinks. Look at that. Look at scoop a drink out. So I think out of all the wedding ponies, she might be the best one because of all the different kinds of accessories she comes with. You could actually put liquid in there. That's the crazy thing. It's better than Rainbow Dash's camping trip. Which, do I have it near me? Is it anywhere? There it is. Rainbow Dash came with cups too, but they're big and they're filled with plastic. But unlike these, which are hollow, which is nice. So, I guess with the extra time I have, I'll once again show you what I'm getting in the mail. Okay. Let's see. Friendship Express, now available on DVD. Yeah, well, so is Season 1 on DVD, so, yeah, okay. First off, I'm getting the castle. And, I think Rarity, Pinkie Pie, and Fluttershy Bridesmaids. I already did those. I have Fluttershy with the wings there. Pony Wedding. And those 2, the fashion styles. And you can see Cadance in the background here.
Let's dance.
Oh, here we go. She's gonna make them all dance. Yeah. Oh, by the way, you can click on her right now if you want to see her review. Her review was fun. Something awkward happened in her review. If you've seen it, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, go watch it. It happens around the time where I take her out of the box and I push the button for the first time to make her talk. That wasn't planned. It was creepy. I mean, maybe I'll put a link on the right side of this review if you want to see that one scene. But anyway, see you guys next time. Bye bye.